Hi, I'm Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E. Cares, and welcome back. Can you believe how fast this school year has flown by? In a few weeks, they will be getting ready to get out of school, their summer break. Have you made plans for the summer? Is it possible that your child may need some remediation or work on maintaining skills during the summer? Or maybe you just want them to maintain those skills or get a little ahead. I am willing to set aside some time for you to have a free chat consult with me. I'll have you share what your needs are and your concerns, and I would love to help you come up with some plans for the summer. Now, I'm going to offer this free of charge. You heard me, free 30-minute chats that you can schedule to meet and talk with me via Zoom. And I plan to make that available starting the month of May. So you be on the lookout because I will advertise it again. So I want you to be thinking about it. Think about how you can plan to maintain, remediate, and possibly get your child prepared early for the upcoming school year. So you take care and don't forget, Sheila E. cares. Bye.